Drake has one of those voices where he can just make anything sound sexy.
Open the front cover and pull out the toner cartridge assembly. Unpack the new toner cartridge and just ever so gently rock that cartridge from side to side 5 or 6 times. You don't need to do it too much. All I want you to do is just distribute the toner evenly. And at that point, you should be ready to just insert that new cartridge until it just clicks. Close that front cover, and lady, you just change the toner cartridge.
Thanks, Drake.